What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm giving you an update on Tron King. Yep, I'm giving you the update on this new smart contract. You know, I like the promise of this smart contract, and so far, guys, it's been delivering on what it said it was going to do. So I'm excited about it. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Let's talk about Tron King, right? Now, you guys know I've been really hard on smart contracts, and they haven't been performing the way that they should, and so much crap going on with them. But you know what, guys? They may have something up with this Tron King thing. I told you the leaders of this is going to be Michael Williams and Braden Grist. I hope I got their names right. I don't want to slay their names. Michael Williams and Braden Grist are the leaders of the smart contract. That I believe they're gentlemen of integrity. I've been around with them, seen them operate and things like that. I think they are, really going to make sure that this contract does what it's supposed to do. And hopefully this thing will be above board and allow a lot of people to make a lot of money. Okay. Now, just in case you guys don't know, this smart contract starts out at 1% per day. Okay. Has a lot of things in the ecosystem that's feeding back into it from an exchange. They have a store. They have what else? They got a lot of stuff that's going back into it. They have a percentage that never leaves when you withdraw. 25% stays in the contract. I mean, just all of these different things that they have to continue to feed the contract, right? And I believe this is a good thing. Okay. So they're doing some things now that haven't been done, and it's making it, a little bit different than what we are normally used to. So I'm excited about this. But let's take a look at this contract. The truth is in the numbers, right? Let's look at the numbers here, though. Let me go back. And I want to go look at the balance. So the balance of the smart contract right now is right around 4 million Tron, 4,622,815 Tron, which is equivalent to about $407,000. Been growing steadily and heavily, right? And let me look at it. It started back here on 12.3. You see it's been on a consistent up cycle here, no downturns or anything. So that is incredible, guys. Look, I'm excited about this. I think this smart contract just might be the one to kill all other smart contracts, to outdo all other smart contracts, to crush all other smart contracts of this nature, right? We're talking about ROI smart contracts. Now, let me go in and look at where I am with this smart contract. I want to see what percentage I am on right now. So I'm logging in on my phone to really take a look at this to see what it is. Give me just 1 second, guys. Let me get connected to my wallet here on my Clever app. I don't know if you guys are using Clever for yours, but that's exactly what I am using. So I'm going to go into my passive office, right? So in my passive office, it is showing that right now I am at 1.8% daily. So I'm almost at the 2% daily. Guys, 2% on a daily basis is really, really good. So I'm excited about this. The whole bonus, I'm at 0.8%, right? My basic daily reward is 1%. So that's how it gets the 1.8% calculation. Okay. Now, I'm not going to withdraw from this as of yet. As a matter of fact, you have to get up to 200 Tron before you can withdraw. So guys, just keep that in mind there. It has been paying me out for the referrals. Anybody that signs up with my link has been paying out consistently for that. So I am excited about that also, guys. So right now, I believe everything is going pretty smooth with Tron King. I don't have anything to complain about. I see it as a good smart contract right now. So as always, guys, if you are interested in this smart contract, if you want to get in on some of the fun with this thing, then I'm going to drop my link down in the description. I'll also pin it in the first comment. That way you can actually go in and do this. So I do want to let you all know, though, you do have to use the Clever app or the Trust Wallet, TronLink Pro, I think whatever it is, right? You got to use one of the Tron wallets. I just use Clever, right? I use Clever, and I actually did a video showing you how you can fund how you can enroll and fund with Clever. So if you want to do that, you can definitely do that, guys. So look, that's my review on Tron King for this week. I'm going to continue to give you guys the most up-to-date information on these smart contracts, but not only smart contracts, every program that I get exposed to, I want to make sure you have the information that you need to make decisions for yourself. Okay, guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. But you know, we're going to invest for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.